Oh, well, hi. I wasn't expecting to see you here. This is a nice surprise. I was just going through my cabinet looking for my vanilla, and there you were. Um, I have a feeling, though, I know why you're here. I told you earlier in the week that I had an announcement about the New England Pie Getaway that's coming up this fall, and you're probably looking for that, but that's not here in this cabinet. That's over on my computer. So if you'll come with me, I'll tell you all about it. I'll see you over there. So here I am at my computer, and I'm on the website that I set up with all the details about the New England Pie Getaway. And the name of the website, amazingly enough, is newenglandpiegetaway.com. And if you're not familiar, if you haven't looked at it before, and you really want to get a good indoctrination to all the details and what we're going to be doing and where it is and all that kind of stuff, please go there and take a look. It will give you all the background information that you need. Let me draw your attention to this here. This was the original date we had set up for the New England Pie Getaway, and that's September 20 through 23rd, 2019. When we put that out, we filled up very quickly. And fortunately, in reserve, we had the following weekend, the 27th through the 30th. Well, we put out that we're going to have an event that weekend too, and that one filled up very, very quickly. At least, or so we thought. And as time has gone on these past few months, and we've had a chance to reevaluate the facility and the accommodations, we realized that we actually still have just a little more room, a little more space available for both weekends, the 20th through 23rd and the 27th through the 30th. So if you missed out first time around when we put the word out, and you'd like to come, we can probably still get you in, and you should let us know right away that you're interested in one of those weekends. The way to do that, the best way, is to contact my wife, Bev. She handles all the bookings, and her email address is bev, B-E-V, at thepieacademy.com. If you send her an email, you'd be smart to put your phone number in there too, so she can call you and tell you all about the accommodations and what's available. That would be the best thing to do. And please don't delay, because we don't want you to be disappointed again if you missed out the first time. Now, before you send us an email, though, just know that there's something else that we're going to do. And I want to tell you about that right now. Let me pull up my calendar. We figured, since this is October here, and we figure since we're going to be up there, excuse me, I'm in the wrong month. This is September, the month of the getaway. So we figured since we're going to be up there anyway, this is the 20th and the 21st weekend. This is the following weekend here. Since we're going to be up there anyway, we might as well give a short class or a one-day class in the middle of the week between the two events. So here's what we're going to do, and this will be a small, intimate session. So if you're interested, please let us know right away. We're offering accommodations on the 24th and the 25th. So you would arrive on the 24th later in the day. We would bake on the 25th, probably from about 9 to 3 or 4 in the afternoon, and it'll be sort of like a highlights reel of the 2-day getaway. So we'll really compress a lot of pie learning into one day. And you would stay with us on the 25th as well, and your departure day would be the 26th. And this might be a good option for someone who just can't get away for a longer weekend, for, on the 20th, on the 27th event. So keep that in mind too. One other thing to keep in mind, we still are interested in doing, provided there's enough interest, in doing our usual low country pie getaway in Charleston, South Carolina. And we typically do that either the first or second week in October. The weekend that our facility is available this year is the 11th through the 13th. So you would arrive on the 11th, we would bake on the 12th and the 13th, and then we would you would depart on the 14th. So that's another possibility too. If that appeals to you, or you think you might be interested, just let Bev know that too, and we can take that into consideration and get you more information about that getaways too. So that's basically what I wanted to tell you, that we still do have openings, and we'd love to include you if you're still interested. It's really hard to overstate what a great time we have at these pie getaways. When we first started doing this a few years back, we did our first one in Savannah. We didn't realize it would grow to be such a big and important thing to us. And now it's really the highlight of our year when we do these getaways. And I think it's fair to say that for the people who come, it's a real highlight for them as well. Let me pull up. Here's a picture that I really love from last year's event. This is Holly and Kim and myself, and our big smiles, I think, say it all. This was down in Charleston, and it's so typical. You look at us smiling. We all gather. We make friends so quickly. We share information. We joke around. We learn a lot. I mean, we just have the best time. I always say it's like a big family reunion for pie makers. Here's another shot from last year that I really love. You can just see my beard here, but this is Jackie. Jackie had a great time last year, so much so she's coming back this year. This is Deb. I love Deb. She's come to about 3 or 4 of our events now, and she's just always a pleasure to have at our events. So if there's any way you can come, we'd love to have you. I don't think you'll be disappointed. We just have the best time, and we'd love to have you there if you can make it. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Let us know if you have any questions. If you want more information, like I said, please contact Bev at thepieacademy.com, and she'll be back in touch with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.